When mounting conduit perpendicular to a beam in industrial settings, call on Garvin Industries right angle clamps. It's basically a U-shaped bolt with a heavy-duty cast malleable iron clamp that bites on the conduit against the beam. Your conduit will rest and be secured by the U-shaped bolt. The way this product installs is quite simple. You simply align it with the beam edge that you're going to secure it to. You then can mount your conduit directly through and under, so it's resting on that, right in the channel. Now the pressure applied when tightening the bolts secures the conduit in place against the beam. And if you want to put a jam nut on there in a heavy industrial application, you can do that as well. But as you can see, the conduit is totally secured within the loop of the U-bolt, and the malleable iron casting is clamping down, securing it with back pressure up against the beam. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.